Today's video is brought to you by jinglemining.com, cryptocurrency mining hardware supplier and vendor that sells specialized equipment or ASICs to large-scale operations and all the way down to the small at-home miner. They offer products that allow you to mine various cryptocurrencies and algorithms so that way you can earn passive income. If you want to learn how, click the link in the description, jinglemining.com. Hey, what's going on, everyone? Vega here for SerpentX Tech, and I want to do a quick update video on how is the Unmineable Profits been mining a particular cryptocurrency that I've been focusing on, which is VeChain. So I'm using my Jazz Miner X4-Q, which is a ETC hash or ETH hash miner, and then I'm using Unmineable to auto-convert that into VeChain or whatever currency that I want that's available on Mineable, and seeing how those profits are. And I've been doing this for quite some time. Seb also did a great video calling out some of the inconsistencies we saw before, and I talked about it stabilizing, but this is just an update. So let's see what's going on. So the past 24-hour reward data was skewed when Seb and I were doing our testing earlier before, but now it looks like it's a lot better. So we made 117.95 VeChain in 24-hour time frame. And we're going to take that number because that's very important. And we need to multiply that by 2 cents, 2868. And when we do that, we're making $3.38 every 24 hours. Now, that's before we count for electricity and stuff like that. But let's go look at some other mining calculators for the X4-Q. This website, ASIC Miner Value, unfortunately, is having an issue right now at time of filming. You can see it's saying that we're making $11.48 profit. That's incorrect. So obviously we can't use that data. However, mind the ASIC does have it right here on number 23, saying that it's making about $2.08 a day. And obviously if you click that, it can give you additional information. So it's more like $2.97, but then after electricity at 10 cents per kilowatt hour, which if I move out of your way here, there is a section where I can lower or raise the kilowatt hour per the cost of whatever your location is. But after electricity, which is minus 89 cents, I'm only making $2.08. And now it's only calculating the coins that are mineable by this miner, like EVGA, Expanse, ETC, Callisto, so on and so forth. But on other mining calculators or platforms, they're counting nice hash still. So even if we were able to get the Jazz Miner X4-Q to mine nice hash, which I have not been able to do whatsoever, because as soon as you put a Bitcoin address in there, it just fails. Even when I try to connect to it via Unmineable, as soon as it sees a Bitcoin address, it will not connect and start submitting shares and all that stuff. But if we do look at the calculations here of $3.27 mining through nice hash on ETH hash, or $2.45 for ETC hash, that's still a pretty decent amount. And we're pretty much on par with that with Unmineable, if not a little bit less. And if we minus the 89 cents for electricity, we're still making $2.50. So we're about right where we need to be, if not a little bit more than, mining through other means. Now, there are other options like 2Miners where you can mine Ethereum Classic or ETH hash or ETC hash and get paid out in Bitcoin if you want to focus on that. So there are ways around the whole Bitcoin conundrum. But with the Jazz Miner X4-Q, my goal is to accumulate as much as additional assets as possible before the next bull run. So VeChain, Polygon, or Matic, so on and so forth. However, it's good to see that Unmineable has figured out the couple of issues. I believe one was cloud provider problems or inconsistencies, so they're looking on updating their cloud provider, as well as some erroneous reporting for the 24-hour profits through their dashboard, which seems to have subsided and been fixed. So I'm going to continue testing and using this miner to accumulate other assets. However, let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. And that's going to do it for today's video. So hit the like button on the way out. Make sure to get subscribed, hit the notification bell to stay up to date, as well as check out some of the links in the description that support us and what we do here. If you do want to sign up for Unmineable, check out and use my referral link, please. It greatly helps out the channel and our team. And I thank you so much for hanging out with us today. Have a wonderful day. Take care. I'll catch you next one.